Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious mixed bean soup. First, let's talk about preparing your beans. It's best to soak dried beans overnight in plenty of water. This step helps them cook faster and more evenly. For example, 1 cup of dried beans will expand to about 2 or 3 cups once soaked. Always remember to drain and rinse them thoroughly before moving on to the next step. Now let's build the foundation of our soup's flavor. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion, 2 diced carrots, and 2 stalks of diced celery. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Finally, pour in 8 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. With your broth and aromatics in, it's time to add the soaked and rinsed beans. Bring the entire mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer gently. This simmering process will take approximately 1 to 2 hours, or until the beans are tender. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent any sticking. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and your favorite herbs like bay leaves or thyme. As your soup finishes simmering and the beans are perfectly tender, it's time for the final touches. Just before serving, stir in about 1/2 cup of freshly chopped parsley or cilantro for a burst of fresh flavor and color. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding more salt, pepper, or herbs to suit your preference. Serve this hearty and comforting mixed bean soup warm, perhaps with a side of crusty bread for dipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.